today I'll be looking at how to make money with high income skill. Okay, high income skills are skill sets or ability that can earn you a lot of money. Okay, it basically refers to a particular skill sets that can earn you six-figure income, even though you don't have a college diploma or a degree. So it means that you can actually earn quite a lot of money. There is no limitation to how your academic qualification being a factor. Okay, it's about the value the skills can offer, and you can bring it to the marketplace to start making good return. Okay, so the question now is how to make money with high income skills. Some of the skill sets that are valuable in the marketplace currently 2023 and beyond. For the meantime, we have coding. When we refer to coding, we are referring to whether you are a web developer, you are a software developer, you are a mobile application developer. We have graphics, we have sales and marketing, we have negotiation, we have video editing, copywriting, cloud computing, security, cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, public speaking, a lot. So having acquired these skill sets, you really do not need to go to university. Okay, but having that educational background and foundation is always useful. Okay, but how do you then convert these skill sets into money? How do you make money with your high income skill? So there are three routes you can take. Either ways, anyone that is convenient for you. You can take the door A, which is get a job. Of course, getting a job is literally back to the aspect of tying your time down for the money, but then you are tying your time down for the money in an industry that is high income, so it may worth your while. And of course, there's always a set of limitations to anything one wants to do. It depends on where you are, your goals, and your personnel, your vision, so that goes a long way to identify your strengths. Okay, the second is that you can actually become a freelancer. Now, when you are a freelancer, what you are doing is that you're exchanging your value, your skill sets for money, not your time. Okay, because nobody is going to tie you down, but people demand they get the results within the very affordable, reasonable time that you can actually deliver that result. So you can become a freelancer and you can work remotely, and you can work as you feel much or as required by the skill sets. So the skill sets can actually require that you do more of getting to the office, doing one of the work, and you can also do some high income skills remotely, and you can work from anywhere you are. So the third door, the first door is the job. The second door option is the freelancer, freelancing, and the third option, which is the third door, is business. You can actually build a business around an high income skill. I'm a web developer and a digital marketer, and we have started Palladium Innovation, a digital marketing agency where we help businesses grow online and help maintain the online space, content creation, Facebook ads, Google ads, sales funnel optimization, just to make sure that we help businesses grow. So it's like building a business around the high income skill. So let's look at these three options: getting a job, becoming a freelancer, and building a business. Which of these options are you interested in taking? So comment below if you are interested in any of these, and if not, what are you willing to do with your high income skill, in order to convert your skill set into money. Okay, so I recommend taking the route of a business, because that enables you to use other people's time, use other people's skill, build a framework around the business you are doing, and that goes a long way. Of course, if you are into freelancing with your high income skill, then of course that is also a good route, but you will be putting your time and yourself into the job, so you are just like a solo entrepreneur. So having said all this, I would want to have your comments, your opinion in the section below, so that we can learn and share some of this advice, especially for youth, for young ones who can easily grab these skill sets, and they really need to put it into valuable return in terms of making money from it. Guys, thank you. If you found this explanation useful, kindly share, like it, and comment. Thank you. Till next time, bye for now.